Hi guys, welcome to my 2023 morning routine. I start off every day with a grapefruit smoothie. So this is me just showing you how juicy the grapefruit is. They're not very sweet at all really, but they're really good for you first thing in the morning, so I always make sure I make enough for a couple days. To add a bit more sweetness, I do add some grapes and some banana as well. I try to switch it up every week, so I might put mango in it, I put some blueberries in it, just depends on what I have in the house. I also like to add a little bit of honey, just like I said, to add a bit more sweetness because the grapefruit is really sour. It's actually more sour blended up, weirdly. And then I just put that in my blender and set it on smoothie mode and let it go. I pour it in my cup, just enough to have just for the morning. And then I fill the rest into another jar that I keep in the fridge, so I don't have to make another one for a couple of days. Now I'm just doing the washing up the blending stuff that I used. I like to just do this straight away. It's so much easier because otherwise the fruit gets stuck on the inside and it's really hard to get out. Whereas rinsing it straight off, it just comes straight out. Next up is breakfast. I have 3 eggs in the morning, straight after having my grapefruit smoothie. I pour the hot water out of this, and then I fill it up again with cold water, just so that they're a bit cooler to then peel, because I've burnt my hands way too many times to make that mistake again. It's been really nice and warm at the moment, so I've been enjoying eating my breakfast outside, and it also means that Bear can have a nice run around in the garden whilst I'm having my breakfast. And there he is. I like to have a bit of cuddle time with him in the morning before I have to leave to go for work. I try and spend as much time with him as possible, give him all the attention that he needs, especially because I do have to go out for part of the day. He just likes to stay out here and see what's going on for a bit, and once we come back inside is when I get ready to leave. I was just running errands today, so I went really casual, just my joggers and a hoodie, and went and ran some errands. But that's my whole morning routine, so I hope you enjoyed it and see you soon.